What is that fun? Fun that? Yeah, I ain't leaving the room anytime soon. If you ever see snow like this, just stay alive.
I'm not gonna let we got a whole army right now. Oh, yo, the plan, yo, huddle. Alright, the plan is like we're all gonna pull up on one person, just destroy that person. Oh, watch our heads. Yo. I'm not gonna lie, that's heads. Wakanda forever? What type of shit?
Wait, what?
It's a Wakanda forever.
Oh, that's some racist
What type of shit? Like, you see that dude holding the stick right there? Oh yeah, run down, Tyler. Run down, Tyler. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm just the cameraman. Oh yeah. He got his shirt off. That nigga got his shirt off.
Nah, he's late.
You good? The cold don't affect you?
No. It's kind of warm.
It's kind of warm?
It's not even mine.
Oh, no.
My boy, no shirt. Like, what's up?
Can I be in a vid?
Hi.
Hi. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. All that. You look mad cold. You look mad cold.
Want me gritty?
Let me see something.
Oh, yeah, it's hard.
Oh, somebody. Throw it at somebody. Not me, though. Throw it at somebody. Not me, though. I got the camera. Not me, though. Damn. All that hard work. Oh! He on BT, nigga. He on BT. Chase that.
Told ya.
Nah, it's snow wars out here. Nobody's safe. It's snow wars. She not even safe. She not safe. She not safe. Get on her. She not safe. Get on that. Damn. You got anything to say? Yo. Tell him. Yo.
A short person?
Yeah.
The midget right
The short girl, yeah. Get some snow. Get some snow. Oh! Not me. Don't hit the cameraman. It wasn't me.
That little ass camera. Finish the igloo.
Oh! Grab her! Oh yeah! Grab her! Oh yeah! Drop her! Oh yeah! Hey! Oh yeah! Hey! Damn! Oh!
He needs some milk.
Man down! What you still got that snowball for? Who you talking to? Oh! Damn! Head crack!
I rolled it.
The hands are cold. Where you rolling to? Alright, bet. Team effort. Let me see something. Push this way. Come to me. Watch out for the stick. Come to me. Oh, shit. Hold up. Not me.
Why you in his face?
What's her name? Girl boss?
Oh my God.
Word. Girl boss.
Look at them two cha-cha bingos.
That's all you, Top. Raise that up, Top.
I don't know. I don't first up, no snow female.
Oh.
Do a flip.
Do a flip. Hold on, back to the. Oh. Oh. During the snowball fight. Goddamn.
I can do a flip. Watch out. I'm not killing yourself.
That's that Rochester shit.
If I do a flip, bro, I need some money.
That's that Rochester shit. Do a flip.
I need the profit. We're not doing no money. We're not doing no promo, bro. I don't know how to do a flip.
You said $5 points. That's bread right there.
It's dead now.
I got you some campus cash. For me, gotta get the snow woman. Say what's up to the channel.
What?
Say what's up to the channel.
Hey, what's up?
How y'all doing?
Hey. This is Girl Boss.
Girl boss?
Yeah.
Cool. What's up, girl boss? What's up, girl boss?
Oh, thank you. Cordial handshake.
You gonna do it?
Tyler, knock it down.
You're not doing it.
Tyler, knock it down. You gonna do it? You gonna do it?
I'm gonna do that shit.
Tackle it from the side. Yeah, when she move, do it. I'm gonna set up though.
Alright, man. You gotta talk to her. You gotta distract her. So we got it.
Y'all gotta pose by girl boss. Y'all gotta pose by her. Yeah. Cool, man. Oh! 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 Damn!
Murdered him.
Nah, what the fuck? They really violated. Oh shit. Niggas knocked down girl boss. RIP girl boss. I was trying to take that flick. I don't know what they was just doing. Beef? Oh! 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 They on BT! They on BT! Oh shit! Everybody! Oh shit! Weave! Oh! 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 Heads! Bow! Oh shit! He threw about 3 of them shits. Oh shit! Oh miss! Oh shit! Oh! Oh shit! Who went on that? Oh! Whoa! Who you got? Who you got? Who you got? Bro! Bro! Oh shit! Saying damn fool, you're not safe either.
Damn.
Hey,
Damn.
hold on.
Damn.
Hey, hey, damn, damn. Hold on. Let me hear something. Hold on. Hey, hey. Somebody get sturdy. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hey. Hey. They still on BT. Oh shit. Alright, see who threw it. We gotta get it over. Nash stole my glasses and shit. See? Now who threw that? We gotta get it on. Who threw that? We gotta get it on. Say word to who? Say word to who? Who threw it?
One of these niggas.
Who threw it?
Was that not this nigga?
Who threw it? Oh! Damn!
Who was that? That was Milton?
Oh shit!
He just caught my snowball.
Oh shit!
Oh my gosh, my camera died, bruh. Damn it. I didn't even get to get all of the action. But I appreciate the support, bro. And real shit though, like between me and you, twin, like I still gotta go chase that midget. She's talking crazy. I don't know if I got it on camera though. Like she threw a snowball at me and she tried to run away. But for me, I can't even explain the rest of the details on camera. Dodgeball, that shit felt like a dodgeball, like good. But make sure you guys like, subscribe. More videos coming soon.